All right, welcome to day, I think it's 29. Means tomorrow's day 30. Oh, awesome. Anyway, day 29, it was like 41 today, so it's warming up. By the end of the week, it's gonna be in the 70s, so cold snaps over, and this is week off / project week. So I got the computer back for the Jeep. I'm gonna put that in today. My dad's flag, I meant to put it up yesterday. I got the flagpole all fixed, and it was cold and we were busy with family and we just never got to it. So I'm gonna put that up today, tomorrow, sometime here soon. But right now, I'm gonna go de-thaw and get some coffee. So we'll see you after a bit. What's up, guys? So I'm out reshooting today's vlog because, well, I already shot it and I edited it and I saved it, and then I kept thinking about it and I'm like, it's literally just a bitch fest. Me basically throwing the temper tantrum because the Jeep doesn't work after I put a new a fixed ECM in it, and you know, that's just not acceptable. So if you want to see that video, I'm actually going to leave it on the very end of this video. So when the video is over, if you hang out, it'll start into that video, so you can see what I'm talking about. Anyway, yes, you heard that right. I got the ECM in the Jeep. It didn't work. It's cold. I didn't feel like messing with it today, so I didn't. But you know, we did accomplish some stuff today. So Mama Badger took 2 back-to-back Support Bikers calls. So Support Bikers was created to support bikers. So when somebody comes into one of our Facebook groups and they put up a GoFundMe, or say they were in an accident or anything, we have a process for them to go through just to get their GoFundMe approved and in our group. Because the last thing we want to do is to have a bunch of fake GoFundMes in our groups that some of our followers may be donating to, and then we find out that they're a fake and a fraud, and you know, that makes us look bad, and you know, we just don't want that for anybody. So we have to approve them, which means we have to take time out of our day to get on the phone with them and talk to them and figure out what's going on with them, what we can do to help, where they're at, what's going on. I mean, the whole 9 yards. So it's usually at least an hour phone call, and Mama Badger or Amy usually take those calls. So today, even though it's Mama Badger's week off, she was on back-to-back hour-long phone calls to help these bikers. And I was so teed off about this, we didn't really talk about it, and she's gone with the kids tonight. They're up in St. Pete at my youngest daughter's house doing a girls thing, hanging out, having a girls night. So awesome for them. So I don't have a lot of details with these 2 people that she talked to about supporting, but you know, I wanted to make this video positive and about that. So guys, we created Support Bikers a couple years ago, and I'm going to do a lot more talking about Support Bikers. So if you don't support bikers, you don't want to hear about Support Bikers, or don't care, you're going to get a lot of it from me. So you may as well just click the unsubscribe button, because that's what we created Support Bikers for. That's our passion. We have met the most wonderful people in the world through motorcycles, and we want to give back. We want to be able to help them. If that's connecting them with resources, if that's helping them find an attorney, if that's helping them fix their bike, giving them advice, whatever that is, we are here to support. Support Bikers is just not just a name, right? It's our mantra. It's what we do. At least that's what we try to do. You know, sometimes I have not done a very good job of relaying that to everybody. So that's what we are. That's who we are. That's what we do. We are Support Bikers, supportbikers.com. Check us out. We have Facebook groups. Check them out. Come join us. Be part of the biker community and help out if you can. If you need help, we'll be there to help you as well. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, you can go watch at the end of this and see the other video where I was complaining. Oh, and at the very end here, I was in a pissy mood, and you're going to see it in this video. So I sped through most of us, getting everything in order, but we put up my dad's flag. We were going to do it yesterday. We didn't do it till today. And then, like I said, I was in a pissy mood because this thing didn't run. The girls were getting ready to leave. So we put it up, and it's not a great video. It's just not our best work. Anyway, so I sped through us getting everything arranged, and then you'll see it up at the end. But it is my dad's flag from, him being a veteran of World War II. And it's out in front of my house in a special place. And, I'm proud of that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out, listening to this version of it. Go watch the other version if you want, and we will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so I said I was going to put Dad's flag up, so it's up out in front of the house till it isn't anymore. There it is. Alright guys, so you can see the hood still up on the Jeep. So I installed the computer after it came back from repair, and well, the fuel pump and all is working. Now I don't have any spark. So before I sent the ECM off, I had spark. I could spray starter fluid into the injector area and I could fire the Jeep up. I just was, the ECM was just shutting down the injector and would, shut it off. And so I sent it off and they repaired it. And now I have fuel and I don't have fire. For those of you in the mechanical world, there's three things you need in order to have a vehicle run. You need fuel, fire, and air. So I lost fuel. Now I have fuel repaired, and now I have no fire. And honestly, I was just so pissed off after I put it in that I didn't mess with it today. Not to mention, it's cold out here in the shop, and I just was not feeling it. So I just let it sit. After I did that, I haven't messed with it. I don't know when I'll mess with it, but right now I'm just pretty defeated. Talk about being kicked in the nuts. It's about what it feels like. So you're going to notice after this little piece here, we put my father's flag up. And Angie wanted to do it because Baby Badger was going back to Tampa. Mama Badger went with her, and so did Nerdy Badger. They're all in St. Pete for the day, but Baby Badger's not coming back after this. She's going to stay up there. She's got work. So we wanted to put my father's flag up while the entire family was here, which we got it up. You'll see it in the video here. It's a big flag. I think I need a bigger flagpole. But anyway, we got it up. But you can probably tell in the video that I just wasn't into it. And it's pretty much because of this right here. And, I told Angie that if I put it in there and it didn't work, I was going to be incredibly pissed off. And I'm incredibly pissed off, and I haven't got over it yet. I didn't want to do this video, but I've got a daily vlog that I got to put out, so I'm shooting this video now. Probably not going to be a very good vlog today because of this piece of shit sitting behind me. Anyway, I'll get over it. I'll get out here. I'll get to work on it. I'll figure out something. I don't know what that is yet. Maybe, at this point, I'm about ready to just cut the freaking ECM out of it and go carbureted and get me a new distributor and just eliminate all the BS. That's kind of what I'm leaning toward now. I haven't decided yet. So I'll stew on it for a couple days, and then I'll make my decision from there. What do you guys think? What should I do? Other than, just lighting it on fire, which is probably not a good thing. How should I fix this? Should I continue messing with this ECM and all the electronic BS, or should I just, like I said, I think it's called the nutter bypass. I can basically do a nutter bypass, get rid of all the electronics, put a new distributor in it, and I've looked it up. I can find a new intake and put a carburetor on it. So I'm really leaning toward doing that at this point. But anyway, enough of me crying, whining, and bitching. I hope you guys had a great day. This will not stop me. It just slowed me down a little bit because it pissed me off. Anyway, guys, have yourselves a fantastic day. I will be up. I'll be at it, and I will see you tomorrow.